So guy on Instagram asked me to do a video about this video right here, this crumble transition.
Something big. I thought I would be having fun in college, and
Well, this is done through green screen, and I found the exact same one, but it's a paid one. So if someone wants to download a paid one, you can. Right now we are going to use a free green screen, take any one of these. Like, it's not the exact one, so it doesn't matter now which one we take. It's a single green screen one, so we can make the exact, but we can make pretty good transition with it. And now go to effects, ultra key. Now go to effects control, and then you know how to do a green screen, and yeah, you pretty much have it right here. Simple. Or you can combine two of these, like yep, you can take this again and then reverse it like so, and then use it like this. Place ultra key on this one as well, and now you can make it something like this. And you can add a paper crumble sound effect. You have the sound effect right here. Place it right underneath. As you can see, it's a little bit smaller than the whole transition. So you can do one thing, you can like place it somewhere like between, so it has equal gaps on both sides like this. Or you can do one thing, click and hold on the third option right here, and then go to right stretch tool, or simply press R on your keyboard and then drag it out like so. And the other thing he asked you about, I will make another video on it. Please try to make a video if I get some time. And yeah, bye.